Facts about acid reflux treatment. Man can't possibly live without food, which is a true and a proven fact. Food provides the body with all the needed nutrients and energy for a man to do all his daily activities. People know that the digestive system, particularly the stomach, digests all the food taken in by the body. Acids found inside the stomach decompose it, turning it to amino acids and proteins. The acids can't harm the stomach because it contains a protective membrane which protects it from the acids. If you listened well to your elementary teacher, you already know that the esophagus is where the food passes through before it reaches the stomach. The esophagus has no protective layer like that of the stomach. So when acid from the stomach is able to penetrate the esophagus, the walls are easily burned. The sensation that you will likely feel is called heartburn. Heartburn is the first symptom that most people with acid reflux experience. If acid reflux remains untreated, it will just get severe. The next thing that you might experience is regurgitation, wherein the food that you just ate will go back to your mouth. The chest pain will get worse, you will have difficulty in swallowing the food, until finally, you might get asthma, and when the acid reaches your mouth, it will naturally corrode your teeth. But don't worry. Acid reflux can be cured, but it would greatly depend on the severity of the disease. A small valve, called lower esophageal, LES, can be found in between the esophagus and the stomach. When it does not function properly, you'll suffer from acid reflux. The heartburn sensation is due to the rising acid level with which the esophageal lining can't withstand. The treatment of this condition can be done through medical therapy and surgical methods. The treatment is aimed at eliminating acid reflux completely from our system. The cure for acid reflux is antacids. Most people use this more often, and it comes in tablet or liquid form. Some prefer the liquid form more because it is easily consumed. You can take antacids after you've eaten, probably after 30 minutes to 1 hour. Other antacids in tablet form create a foam layer inside the stomach so that acidic juices can't penetrate through it. But make sure that you chew the tablet well so that its maximum healing properties will be released. Some medications are focused in strengthening the lower esophageal muscle, and this greatly reduces acid reflux. It would be best to ask a doctor before taking any kind of medication. The doctor can assess the severity of the acid reflux, and will be able to give you the appropriate treatment. Most doctors recommend a change in diet to those who suffer from acid reflux. Though this may be difficult to some, they have no other choice unless they want to worsen their condition. Don't wait until you need a surgical method to cure your condition. It is best to start curing acid reflux as soon as you discover that you're suffering from it. If in any case you've experienced the symptoms of acid reflux, immediately consult a doctor. Gather as much information about acid reflux to help you in better understanding your condition. The doctor can provide you with the correct diagnosis and the needed treatment.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.